Welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about something that affects every app, website, and digital product you've ever used, Nielsen's 10 usability heuristics. These are the 10 principles that separate frustrating interfaces from ones that actually feel good to use. So let's dive right in. Ever clicked a button and wondered if anything actually happened? Or got stuck in an app with no idea how to get back? You're not experiencing bad luck, you're experiencing bad design. Back in 1994, usability expert Jakob Nielsen figured out something important. Most interface problems follow patterns. He identified 10 principles that separate frustrating designs from delightful ones. And these aren't just academic theories. Companies like Apple, Google, and Adobe have been using them to build products that millions of people love. Let's break them down in plain English. Number 1, visibility of system status. Keep users informed about what the system is doing right now. Think about the last time you ordered food delivery, that little map showing your driver's location. That's this principle in action. When you click Submit on a form, you need to know. Did it work? Is it processing? Did something break? So what can you do right away? Change button colors when they're clicked. Show loading spinners for anything that takes more than a second. And display progress bars for multi-step processes. Without feedback, users feel like they're shouting into the void. With feedback, they feel in control. Number 2, match between the system and the real world. Use language and concepts people already understand from everyday life. Photoshop gets this right. Instead of calling something a luminosity reduction tool, they call it the burn tool, a term borrowed from traditional darkroom photography. Their target users immediately get it. Here's how to apply this. Replace jargon with everyday words. Use icons that match real-world objects. A trash can for delete, not some abstract symbol, and organize information the way people expect, not the way your database works. If a first-time user can't understand your button labels, those labels are probably too technical. Number 3, user control and freedom. Let users undo mistakes easily, without punishment. We're all human. We click wrong buttons, change our minds, or just want to explore without commitment. A good interface makes these actions consequence-free. X, formerly Twitter, nails this. Start composing a post, hit cancel, and they ask, save as draft or delete. You never lose your work accidentally. To get this right, always provide a clear back button. Support undo and redo for important actions. Add, are you sure? Dialogues for destructive actions. And make cancel buttons easy to spot. When users feel trapped, they panic. When they feel free, they explore. And that's when they discover your best features. Number 4, consistency and standards. The same word or icon should mean the same thing everywhere in your product. Imagine if the stop sign was red on one street and blue on another. Chaos, right? The same applies to interfaces. Practically speaking, use the same labels for the same actions. Delete everywhere, not delete here and remove there. Keep buttons in the same position across pages and follow platform conventions. Hamburger menu on mobile, drop-down menus on desktop. Consistency might not feel creative, but it's what makes interfaces learnable. Users spend time learning your patterns, respect that effort. Number 5, error prevention. Design systems that prevent errors instead of just handling them. The best error message is the one users never see. Think about Google Calendar. It auto-suggests meeting times and prevents you from double booking yourself. That's smarter than letting you schedule conflicts and fixing them later. Some quick wins here. Disable submit buttons until forms are complete. Auto-format phone numbers and dates. Show password requirements as users type, not after they submit. And provide smart suggestions in search boxes. Prevention beats correction every time. Number 6, recognition rather than recall. Show options instead of making users recall them from memory. Pop quiz. What was the name of that document you were working on last week? Can't remember? Exactly. That's why modern apps show you recently opened files with previews instead of asking you to remember file names. Recognition is easier than recall. Multiple choice beats essay questions. So in practice, show recently viewed items, display search history, use drop-down menus instead of asking users to type exact commands, and include thumbnail previews in file pickers. Human memory is limited. Good design works with that limitation, not against it. Number 7, flexibility, and efficiency of use. Provide shortcuts for power users without confusing beginners. New Photoshop users click through menus to find tools. Experts use keyboard shortcuts. Both groups get what they need. How do you build this in? Offer keyboard shortcuts, but don't require them. Let users customize their workspace. Provide multiple paths to the same result. Search, browse, recommendations. And include macros for repetitive tasks. One size fits all actually fits no one. Flexible systems serve everyone. Number 8, aesthetic and minimalist design. Every element should have a purpose. If it doesn't support user goals, it might be time to rethink it. Minimalism isn't just aesthetic, it's functional. Every decoration, banner, and button competes for attention. The more stuff on screen, the harder it is to find what matters. So keep it clean. Reduce purely decorative elements that don't add meaning. Show advanced options only when needed. Use white space generously. And always ask yourself, does this help users complete their task? If the answer is no, consider simplifying or removing it. Think of your interface like a conversation. Get to the point without rambling. Number 9, help users recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. When something breaks, tell users what happened and how to fix it in plain language. Bad error message. Error 404, resource not found. Good error message. We couldn't find that page. It might have been moved or deleted. Try searching for what you need or return to the home page. The difference? No error codes without explanations. Normal words, not technical jargon. You explain what went wrong and how to fix it, and you're always polite. Never blame the user. Error messages are your chance to help users, not lecture them. And number 10, help and documentation. Nobody wants to read a manual, but when they're stuck, help should be easy to find. The best help is contextual. When filling out a complex form, a small icon next to confusing fields beats a 50-page PDF manual. Here's what works. Place help where people actually get stuck, not just buried in a help center. Use short tooltips over long documentation. Include examples and screenshots. And make help searchable. One more thing to remember. If users need help constantly, fix the design. If they need help occasionally, make it accessible. So, there you have it. Nielsen's 10 usability heuristics. These principles aren't revolutionary. They're simply common sense, organized into a framework you can actually use. The companies winning at user experience aren't doing anything magical. They're just consistently applying these rules. Start small. Pick one heuristic and audit your product against it this week. Then move to the next. Before long, you'll be designing interfaces that don't just work. They work effortlessly. And isn't that the whole point? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time and support. If you have any questions about today's topic, please leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.